22nd problem. We use reciprocal identities and linear identities to write secant and tangent. We express cosine x using double angle identities. One is expressed using the Pythagorean identity. We again use the double angle identities to express sine x. Use the space product to express the numerator and the denominator. Here we cancel like terms in numerator and denominator. Here we divide both numerator and denominator by cos half x to get tangent half x. I show you how I got the right hand side integrand, which involves tangent half x. I get this last integrand by applying what we call the sum identity. The sum identities, when applied, give this integrand tangent pi over 4 plus half x. I rewrite here the sum identity. Remember, tan a plus b equals that expression. This is the answer, the required answer. I used the standard integrals from the table.